What up, guys? We are here about to watch Chainsaw Man, the movie, Reze Arc. I can't wait. I'm excited, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.
Let's do this! Bomb is coming.
I believe that a single good movie can change your entire life.
And there you have it, man. The wait was definitely worth it. You guys need to watch it. October 24th, the Chainsaw Man, the movie, comes out. Make sure you guys don't miss it.